Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy student resources with Cappex easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin deploying student resources with Cappex, first, log into your Cappex account. Ensure you have administrator access for proper resource deployment. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard interface. Look for the Resources tab on the main menu. Click on the Resources tab to reveal the options available. Select Add New Resource to initiate the deployment process. You will now see a form where you can input resource details. Fill in the title of the resource you want to deploy. Next, provide a brief description highlighting its purpose and benefits. Choose the appropriate category from the drop-down menu. This helps students easily locate the resources later. Upload any relevant files or documents by clicking the Upload button. Make sure the files are in supported formats for seamless access. Once you've uploaded the necessary documents, verify all information entered. Double-check for any spelling mistakes or incorrect details. After verifying, locate the Save button at the bottom of the form. Click Save to finalize the resource deployment. Your resource is now added to the Cappex platform. To ensure visibility, return to the Resources page. Find your newly added resource in the list to confirm it is displayed correctly. If adjustments are needed, click on the resource title to edit details. Use the Edit option to make necessary changes and save again. Finally, notify students about the newly deployed resource via your communication channels. This will help maximize awareness and utilization of the resources available on Cappex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.